Can you send it to me now so I can send it to him?
Oh, what is this? Look at this. Hi. Ah, yeah. Oh. This is cool.
Yeah, I like this one.
This is cool.
This is 10 times better than that shit.
What's going on, guys? So our Toys for Tots was successful, and now we at a hospital about to give out all our toys. Meeting up with Carlos right here. Look at his whip. It's looking clean. Look at that. It's looking clean. Jeez. Mr. Carlos. I want to introduce Mr. Carlos.
What's good? What's good, guys?
Army dancer.
What's good, guys?
Army dancer.
What's good, guy?
You know how to dance?
I know how to put it down.
Yeah. But yeah, so all the toys is inside. Car is filled with toys. Christmas sleigh right here. Bunch of toys for the kids. We're here. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Damn. So we've been here for a while. Knocking. They told us to be here at 12. We've been calling and nothing. I don't know what's going on. Look at this sexy boy. Look. Sexy. Look at that sexy boy. Yo, Carlos. Hey, yeah. Somebody's gonna thank you. So we have all the bags, all the toys right here. Boom, 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 gates. We got these Santa Claus, ghetto Santa Claus, right? Got it. Go do stuff, boys. Good thing my daughter's gonna see this. Yeah, they'll open every single one of them. All right, so we dropped off all the toys. We did a great thing. Because there's gonna be a lot of happy kids this Christmas. They're gonna receive all those toys. For a fact, we did something good. Did something very good. Thank you. Thank you, guys. It was great outcome. We're gonna be doing more of these type of events. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys in the loop.
None of y'all need this?
What is that?
Back to Black History.
That was funny.
Now look at that. Wow. Let me hear that. Wow. Let me hear that.
Dale que te dé. Dale que te dé. Dale que te dé.
Let me hear that.
Dale.
Wow. Nigga sound fucking tripping.
Dale.
Got fresh.
Dale que te dé. Dale que te dé.
Fresh getting fresh.
Done.
Fresh getting fresh.
Have to wash this baby.
Look at this. Fresh. Look at that. Wow. Shiny. Got another one.
Dile a Luca que ponga algo.
My name is Kiki, and you want to see what I'm doing? Trying to get those buds down. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, and kind of those bodies up. And that's yeah. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. And I'm done. Bye-bye.
Okay. Wait.
Yo. Side!
All right, so just got some 2014. No, this is 2017, right? 2017. Whatever. Is that year Accord? 2014 all the way to 2017 touring headlights. Actually, 2017 touring headlights. Whatever. Honda Accord touring headlights. Customer dropped it off so that we could fix the burn light. But I'm trying to convince them to do something else to the headlight, because if we're gonna open it up, might as well do something to it. So we have the other one. We got J, not J Hard. This is J Led now. J Led. All right, so here we have what you call this? Is this like a Torx? It is. It's a Torx T27. Yes. T27. It's a Torx screw. So we gotta take this ballast off. Oh, it's been open, right?
Probably. The top strip.
And the top strip, right? So we got the bottom strip and the top strip.
We got Lee over there preparing the oven.
Trying to clear my messy oven. I'm Dominican, so I put all my pots and pans in my oven.
All right, so we removed the ballast already. Now we need to remove this bracket held by Phillips. Then some screws around the headlight that's holding basically the lens in place. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe that's it, just those 4. Some cars don't have the butyl in them, so some of them you actually need to cut them open. And you could tell just by, you could see it. You see, if you see that in your headlight, then that means you could heat it up and take it apart. Tail lights are different. Well, I'm not gonna say all of them. Some of them, well, most of them. I'd say 99% of tail lights, they don't have it. So you actually need to cut them open.
Finished cleaning out my oven. All the pots and pans are out. What's the temperature we gotta set this to?
220.
All right. How do this work? All right. So while that gets warm, we'll prep the headlights. Take off all the stuff that needs to be taken apart, like the ballast, screws, and whatever. So, all right. All right, so 220. We gotta set the timer. 5-minute timer. All right, so that was 5 minutes. Should be good. Pretty warm. All right. So first step would be lifting these little tabs up because they soft. See these tabs? So go all the way around the headlight and lift all these tabs. Alright. Let's try this corner over here. Oh, right here. I'll pick the glue
Go
up.
more.
Alright. Who that?
All right, so once we take this apart, the lens, there's a plug here. So in order for you to avoid this, before you put it in the oven or before you take it apart, you could always unscrew this and reach the plug from here and take it apart. That way you don't gotta be by yourself and trying to unplug this at the same time.
This is crazy.
So before you take the lens off, take this cap off, and unplug that.